Hey guys, Paul with Diode Dynamics here to introduce our SS3 LED Fog Light Kit for the 2007 through 13 Toyota Tundra. Now, Tundra owners are going to want to check this out because the SS3 Fog Light adds a huge amount of output compared to your factory fogs. Of course, this is fully plug and play, bolt in as well. These come with your FT style brackets, which are a round design to fit right in that factory slot in the bumper. Once they're installed, you got a really clean appearance, but still some of that off-road styling. Now, the pods themselves are available in either Sport or Pro power level. Both of them are going to be a huge upgrade compared to the factory fogs, but the Pro is even more light. Now, both models are available in either a white or a yellow color as well. And you might say, why yellow? Well, a lot of people say it cuts through the inclement weather a little bit better with that selective yellow color. But a lot of people like it just for the styling as well, especially on import Toyota trucks. It's a pretty cool look. I don't know, let me know what you think. I'd probably go with yellow if this was my truck. Now, these are also available in a driving pattern as well. And that's also known as auxiliary high beam lights and are legal for use in some states. If you're on a lot of back roads, it's really dark, you might check that out as an option. Otherwise, the fog light option will give you a really wide spread of light directly in front of the truck. You can find these now at diodedynamics.com or check them out at a dealer near you. Make sure you stay up to date with more lights that we release. If you don't have a Tundra, we might have one coming soon for your vehicle. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.